Now you can roll 15. If you want to show me how you crawl, that's fine. Oh no. Amy, just blame me later.
It's true. I will.
Crawling at 4 months old.
He's not crawling. He's trying to.
You got this far, keep going. You all done? Just kidding.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
He's pretty proud of himself.
Are you trying to crawl to mommy?
Trying, I am.
He did start off on that mat.
Oh, is that the kitty? You start walking around like the kitty?
This thing can move.
That happened.
Oh shit, no way. I'm out.
No, thank you.
Come on.
Mommy's telling you to do it now. Go, go, go.
You can do it. Yeah. There you go. Look at that drool. Yuck. Yuck. You look so proud of yourself. Yes, you do.